Hello everybody. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here I will show you how to type enye in Excel. Now, let's dive into the core of today's tutorial. Typing the enye character in Excel or any application on a Windows device can sometimes be a bit tricky. This character is crucial, especially when you're working with languages like Spanish, where it frequently appears. Whether you need it in lowercase or uppercase, knowing how to insert it quickly and efficiently can save you a lot of time and hassle. So, let's explore the easiest ways to get this done, depending on your specific device setup. To begin with, if you're using a Windows device equipped with a numeric keypad, you're in luck. This method is one of the most straightforward and convenient. The numeric keypad is typically found on the right side of your keyboard, and to use it, you'll first need to ensure that the numlock key is active. The numlock key enables the numeric keypad to function correctly. On many keyboards, you'll find this key located on the top row of the numeric section. Some laptops might require you to hold down an additional key, like the FN key, in combination with the numlock key to activate it. So it's a good idea to check your keyboard specifications. Once you've confirmed that the numlock is on, you're ready to type the lowercase enye character. Here's how you do it. Press the Alt key and hold it down. While holding the Alt key, use the numeric keypad to enter the number 0241. That's Alt, then 0241. After you release the Alt key, you'll see the lowercase enye appear at the location of your cursor. It's that simple. Now, if you need the uppercase enye for words that start with this letter, the process is just as easy. With numlock still enabled, hold down the Alt key once more. This time, instead of 0241, type 0209 using the numeric keypad. So that's Alt followed by 0209. When you let go of the Alt key, the uppercase enye should appear right there in your document. This method is incredibly useful and works not only in Excel, but across a variety of applications. Remember, it's important to ensure your numlock is activated. If you attempt to use the numbers on the top row of your keyboard instead of the numeric keypad, it won't work, so stick to the keypad. For those of you who don't have a numeric keypad on your keyboard, such as on some laptops, you might need to explore alternative methods. Options include using the character map application or keyboard shortcuts that are specific to your device. However, these alternatives aren't usually as quick and straightforward as using the Alt key codes with a numeric keypad. By following these steps, you can effortlessly insert the enye character whenever you need it, enhancing your ability to write accurately in languages that utilize this essential letter. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it boosts your productivity when working with documents and programs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Happy typing! Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to type enye in Excel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials.